In the house itself, 30 of them, waxing with a stick, you know, they go on the line.
The camera.
Oh, years and years.
Oh, it went.
Just keep killing the first one again, every couple of days. Bush rat.
This is just as horse.
I'm complaining about how useless it was.
She's telling us.
Oh, Jess, you do it.
That's nice out. And then you get your boots down beside the bed in the morning, you get up, you shake your boots out, you shake the mice out. Lots of things will be inside the boots. You know, they go, oh no. Oh, there's a pain. They're everywhere. And we had sheets of gal iron in the backyard where I was staying. And you lift up the gal iron like this, and it's everywhere underneath. And the sheepdog used to go, now what am I going to do? He's got a mouthful and he can't do it. He's got one of this and one of that.
We had a bunch of rats up with the, we had some, near the woodshed we had other timber. But this one's head concrete easement. And you can smell something there, so I pulled the timber ready and there you go.
Oh God.
Scattling. You got 7.
They might collide me there.
Yeah, one bite. This one's to go to sleep.
Dead chicken.
What's this? 10-pin bowling.
Oh yeah.
Actually, we did different
Oh God.
I had a whole setup here.
She's launching them.
Yeah!
Chicken still fry.
Kentucky Fried. Kentucky Fried Chicken.
I'm going to set up.
Oh,
Almost good
not in the back.
Oh.
Great.
Oh God.
Okay, you ready to go to bed?
Oh.
Okay, you get two bowls.
Alright,
One, next up.
Actually, your turn. Chicken bowl. Ready? You get 2 bowls.
Oh, okay.
Or else chicken.
Oh.
Not count it on by the fork. Spin.
Alright, ready? Go.
Oh.
Epic fail.
Yes,
Fail.
Bumper bowls. I'll put the bumper bowls up.
picture right there.
Okay, bumper bowling up. Okay,
That's
someone
that
will
one.
go.
Oh my God. Again.
Just down the road here, looking that way.
Oh.
And then this
Yeah,
one.
so there.
Oh yeah. What's
Bear.
Oh, and I bought games. Who needs that when we can invent our own?
Did you do it in chicken bowling?
Let's see.
That way.
Let's have a get Uncle Phil the chicken bowl. We're going to chicken bowl. No.
Yeah, we'll do chicken bowl. Oh, no, wait, no, it was in 2006, I said. The Townsville was. Oh! That was really a strike. I'll be set him up again. Yeah, the second one goes. Oh! It's got some form over here. Yeah, when you would have gone like this, she's going to I caught the balls of eggs. It was like, yeah, I caught the ball of face. It's like, yeah, I lost it. That one looks retarded. No, like, look at it all roughed up. Oh yeah, bowling ball. Brian sold the shop, settled. Me? A week ago. All of them, big guy. Like Ellie Beach, what money in the bank? Who's that? Graham. Me? I don't know how much you got. I don't know how much you got.
Oh.
One left. He must have got about 5. Like the same face.
Oh.
Yeah, no, all sold, settled. He's closed the shop. Closed on Thursday. Ready?
Yes.
Last day. Whatever stock's left, he's got to go around town and just give it away. Good idea. Go and give it. Birthday.
You want me to? Okay.
No, you've got to
I'm going to go across like that.
There's a great big open fire pit and there's seats, like logs all cemented in. And it's fantastic.